What is up, everybody? In this video, we're going to be covering Pursuit of Happiness by Kid Cudi on the ukulele. Now, Kid Cudi is one of my favorite artists of all time. I've been listening to Kid Cudi since I was like 16. And yeah, really happy to cover this. And it's all-time classic song of his. So, let's get into it. Crush a bit, little bit. Roll it up, take a hit, feeling lit, feeling light, 2 a.m., summer night, I don't care, hands on the wheel, driving drunk, I'm doing my thing, roll with Midwest side, I'm out, live my life, getting it out, people tell me slow my roll, I'm screaming out, fuck that, I'm gonna do just what I want, looking ahead, no turning back, if I fall, if I die, know I lived it to the fullest. If I fall, if I die, know I lived in missing boats. Cause I'm on the pursuit of happiness. And I know everything that shines ain't always gonna be gold. Yeah, I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that shines ain't always gonna be gold. Yeah, I'll be fine once I get it. Yeah, I'll be good. Ooh, tell me what you know about dreaming, dreaming. You don't really know about nothing, nothing. Tell me what you know about night terrors every night. 5 a.m. cold sweats, waking up to the sky. Tell me what you know about dreams, dreams. Tell me what you know about night terrors, nothing. You don't really care about the trials of tomorrow. Rather lay awake in a bed full of sorrow. Cause I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that shines ain't always gonna be gold. Yeah, I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that shines ain't always gonna be gold. Yeah, I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. Thank you very much for tuning in. Leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you thought. And as always, peace, love, veganism. Like and subscribe. I am out.